Most irrigation systems in Miami-Dade County have indexing valves instead of electric valves. The way these systems work is that water runs through the valve and into one of the pipes that comes out of it, and then the water turns off and the inside cam turns around. The next time the water comes on, it'll turn on a different irrigation zone or run through a different pipe. The problem with this is that the insides of the indexing valve can get stuck, so you'll end up irrigating just one zone multiple times instead of all the irrigation zones. Another problem is that there can be pressure loss associated as well as other inefficiencies. You can't program individual zones based on the plant type or the sprinkler type because you never know which zone will turn on and they can get out of sequence. So retrofitting to electric valves can be beneficial because you can get better pressure, you can get better control over what happens in each zone individually. You can program zone 1 separately from zone 2 and 3. And you'll never have the problem of the valve getting stuck and only irrigating one zone. Another problem with the indexing valve is the clock that's associated with it. Generally, there's a mechanical timer that goes along with it. This can only be programmed in 12-minute intervals, so you can either go 12, 24, or 48-minute run times. But this isn't necessarily ideal for all irrigation zones. Some zones only require maybe 5 or 10 minutes. So if you have electric valves, you can add a digital timer, and you can control down to the minute how many minutes you want each zone to run. For example, 5 or 10-minute run times. Going beyond the digital timer, you can add a soil moisture sensor. And the benefit of this is that the sensor will measure how much water is in the soil and then prevent the timer from turning on if irrigation is not necessary. So no more irrigating in the rain.